Okay, people, look, I love gardening, all right? But there's one thing that I refuse to do when it comes to gardening. It's something like this, some shit like this. Look, beautiful cucumber, beautiful cucumber vine on a trellis, right? And here comes the gardener to pick up the freaking cucumbers, right? Awesome, beautiful. So she gets one cucumber from this stem, goes down, takes another one. Now see how many cucumbers they get from one single stem from the very same spot. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, from the very same spot. Oh, come on, man. Look, okay, look. AI is everywhere, man. But come on, don't put it in gardening. Gardening, come on, man. It's supposed to be like gardening is supposed to come from your very own hands, your own effort. Come on, man. You cannot fool people like that, man. Oh, come on. That's so disrespectful. Any any decent gardener will hate that. Will not go for AI bullshit to make a to make themselves look good, to make the garden look good. Come on, man. That's so fake. Oh my God, that's so awful, man. How low, how we fallen.